right, here we are, April 26th, Tuesday, April 26th, 2022. We got our Samsung RF28T5001SR French door refrigerator. Fourth trip the service guy came out. He finally deemed it unrepairable. Third time out, they put a new motherboard in. We figured it was going to fix it. It ran for about 45 minutes, went down 5 degrees, and then it shut back off and has been running since. And if you plug it in, and this has been going on since February 14th, Valentine's Day. So there, plug it in. Oh, hey, it reads temperature. It was flashing before. But it's not going to fire up. It's got a wiring issue somewhere inside the case. This is all blasted full of foam. Actually, the walls on this thing are so thin, it's really weird. Probably the thinnest wall refrigerator you can get. It's only, geez, maybe an inch and a half thick at most. And when it runs, you can feel a warm along the edge from the wiring, I guess. But of course, I'm not hearing nothing. It's not running. It's not running, and it's not gonna. The head technician just came. He deemed it unrepairable. If you want to see the short I just uploaded, it's there. But yes, and we've been going on and on with this thing for 3 months now with Samsung, trying to get it repaired, trying to get it replaced, trying to get a refund. They keep trying to give us a $460 coupon to get out of the warranty on it. And they said, oh, we're past the warranty. Well, this thing broke under warranty, and it never ran again. It's on and off at will, and they can't find out what's wrong with it. And it's because it's a wiring issue inside this thin wall, poured full of foam with all the wires in there. So there's a kinked wire, broken wire, bad connection, whatever it is, can't get to it, can't fix it. Unrepairable. So nice refrigerator, beautiful, real thin walls, so there's a lot of space in there. I mean, you can see even the top is only, it's only that thick. The whole edge of this refrigerator, all the walls in there are only 1.25 inches thick. So I guess it's, good foam, good insulation. And I really like it. It's got the cheese drawer in here. It's a little wonky, kind of hard to get in there straight sometimes, especially when it's loaded. Oh, it works great now. Now that it's a piece of junk that doesn't work anymore, the drawer smooths out. And, these plastic things are kind of, they get beat up. I put some packing tape on there to make things slide across there, because you're usually putting heavy stuff in the bottom there. So, but all in all, you can put milk jugs, gallon jugs on the doors. A lot of room, a lot of space, 28 cubic feet. And it's nice to have your refrigerator up on the top so you don't have to bend down, and that freezer on the top thing. That's what we had, a really junky refrigerator before this, but this thing's even junkier. Our junky refrigerator lasted 6 years, and we gave it to somebody else, and it's still running. This thing didn't even run 11.5 months, and been sitting here going on 3 months now, and can't get it out of here, can't get it fixed, can't get Samsung to do anything about it. And they're going to keep giving us the runaround on it, we know. But we did get the service guy to deem it unrepairable. He wrote the code down on it. I took a picture of it, took a video short of it, so Samsung can't argue anymore. The thing is defective, not repairable, and it broke within the first year. Never got fixed. So that's the truth. Cut.